In today's video, we take a detailed look at the all-new 2026 Mercedes GLC Coupe in a stunning full white color. Starting from the front, the redesigned grille immediately grabs your attention with its aggressive panamericana style, flanked by slimmer digital LED headlamps that give the GLC Coupe a sharper and more athletic expression. The sculpted bonnet adds muscle to the stance, while the lower bumper now integrates sportier air intakes, giving it a refined yet performance-focused appeal. Moving to the back, the sloping roofline smoothly tapers into a sleek rear profile. The tailgate features new wraparound LED tail lights that are slimmer and sharper, seamlessly integrated with a continuous light strip. The rear bumper comes with a cleaner design, dual chrome-tipped exhausts, and a subtle diffuser that reinforces its sporty coupe identity. Shifting to the right side, the coupe silhouette is more defined than ever, combining the elegance of a luxury SUV with the lines of a sports car. The flush door handles, bold shoulder lines, and stylish multi-spoke alloy wheels stand out against the rich white finish, giving it a clean, upscale look. Inside, the dashboard is a true highlight, featuring a massive floating touchscreen angled toward the driver. The fully digital driver display is customizable and clear, while ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in a continuous flow, adding warmth and depth to the interior experience. The front seats are wrapped in high-grade white Nappa leather with contrast stitching, offering excellent lumbar support and multiple electric adjustments. Both comfort and luxury are amplified with heated and ventilated seat options and a panoramic glass roof overhead. As we move to the back seats, you'll notice the space is generous, even with the coupe roofline. The same white leather upholstery continues, with individual air vents, charging ports, and foldable armrest for added passenger convenience. Every angle of the new 2026 GLC Coupe speaks of sophistication, blending cutting-edge technology with signature Mercedes elegance.